Photography for me is not always going to famous and most popular palace or photography destination and shoot hundreds of pictures out there. But sometimes I just love to visit location having emotion of the land and memories connected with me. I'm on the way to travel my homeland and I will share some awesome views out there, especially sunrise and sunrays painting over the mountain. It's late night and I'm traveling by bus and hopefully I will reach there early in the morning before the sunrise happens and hope weather remains clear. Until then, let me show you some of my childhood memories that connect with me that palace. These are scanned images from the album at my home which I captured last year in my camera, and looking at such old memory feels just awesome. This is the palace where I grew up and spent my 10 years of high school. I still remember during winter we used to play with snow and rolling snowball to make teeny artificial mountain. Though I have no any such pictures from that time since I had no camera and everything is just in my mind and trying to express through the words. Going my father's office up there was my favorite choice during my childhood. This is the horticulture center and so many varieties of fresh fruits like apple, peas, grapes were available there. However, I used to be a bit nervous because of the office staff used to ask me so many questions. So, here I am, just reached and I left my bus right now. I have to walk about 45 minutes to reach my home, but I will only go home once I shoot some beautiful shots of sunrise hitting at the mountain. You can imagine how I'm feeling right now. 8 hours of continuous traveling at night, so tired and feeling sleepy as well. But this photography stuff is making me alive and fresh despite such.
Spending our time ruminating on rubble of what's already gone, already destroyed in the past. Have I lost sense of time? No rhyme and no rhythm, no way to go home, no way to bear with ya, but this can't be gone.
Look at those mountain hills. It's just 15 to 20 minutes sunrise started and sunrise hits the mountain out there. Such an amazing reflection. Right now where I'm standing is called Gurukhala Baitadi and my childhood school that you saw just before is about 10 minutes away from here. This mountain in front of me, mostly left part, lies in the Indian territory and rightmost part in Nepal, which is known as Opisaipal mountain region. Can't stop looking at this, guys. So beautiful sunrise view to see early in the morning. However, I'm having a little problem here. Due to the mist in the sky and the video may be a bit unclear. Sorry for this, guys. Now I realize that I need some filters to handle such situation. Anyway, it's just awesome to observe mountain view with sunrise.
You know how to be a heartbreaker. You don't know how love goes. You know how to be a heartbreaker.
much for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed it, and please like, share and comment in the below comment section. If you like it, please do consider subscribing my channel. Until next video, bye for now.